Hello dear students, in the last video we studied how to create an HTML document, right? The basic structure of an HTML using the head tag, HTML tag, title tag and body tag, right? Today we are going to discuss some of the tags deeply, right? Along with the attributes, alright? So you know what is a tag, right? I have discussed in the previous video what is a tag. Okay, let me first again remind you that tag is a markup which indicates how content on a web page should be look like. Alright, so we are having various tags in HTML. So first tag starts body tag. As discussed earlier, the body tag is a container tag. Container tag means what? It has starting tag and it has ending tag also with a forward slash, which includes all the tags that describes the content and the layout of the web page. So whatever is displayed on the web page will be enclosed within the body tag. Alright, any text, image, links and so on that needs to be shown as a part of the web page are included with the opening and closing of body tags. So some of the important attributes of body tag are, now here comes a word attribute. Here comes a word attribute. What do you mean by attribute? Listen, attributes extend the functionality of tags to make them more versatile. Attributes appear inside the opening tag. Alright, so another synonym for an attribute which I can tell you is feature, right? What is a feature? Extra feature that you want to give to a tag. For example, if I say that I am a girl, okay, and if I write about my height, about my weight, then this height and weight are my attributes, are my feature. For example, let us take an example of a car, okay, and if I write the color of the car, the company name of the car or the engine of the car, okay, so that color denotes the attribute of the car. So let us discuss the attribute of body tag. So first attribute is BG color, okay, so this attribute is used to specify the background color of the web page. What color you want of a web page, what background color you want to give of a web page, that is denoted by BG color. Example, you'll write body BG color is equals to double quotes green, red, any color that you want to give. If you do not use the BG color attribute, then the default background color of the page is white. If you are not wanting to use the BG color attribute, then the default color will be white. Next attribute is text. This attribute is used to specify the color of the text to be displayed on the web page. Okay, whatever text you are displaying in the body tag, if you want its color to be red or green or something else blue, then you have to use an attribute called text. Body text is equals to red. Okay, if you do not use the text attribute, then the default color of the text is black. Alright, next is background. This attribute is used to specify the path of an image file to be displayed as background of the web page. If you want something in the background of the page, if you want an image on the background of the page, then you will be using body background is equals to something. Background is an attribute. Alright, body background is equals to, this is the path of the image. If it is, this means that it is in C drive and water lilies is the name of the image and JPG is the extension of the image. Alright, if the image is on desktop, then simply you will write the file name, image name dot extension. Left margin. This attribute is used to specify the amount of space to be left blank from the left margin of the browser window. Its value is specified in pixel. How much amount how much space you want to leave from the left side of the web page. So that is denoted by left margin. Body left margin is equals to 50, and that should also be included or enclosed in a double quotes. Next, top margin, same. This attribute is used to specify the amount of space to be left blank from the top margin of the browser window. Its value is specified in pixels. Body top margin is equals to 60 degree. Alright. So in HTML we can either specify the color name or use the hexadecimal RGB values for the beachy color and text attribute of the body tag. All colors are made up of three primary colors, red, green and blue. RGB value specifies the amount of red, green and blue color component in hexadecimal value. So let us study. Alright, so please be careful. This is the hexadecimal RGB values for red, pink, aqua, black, blue, green. You can note down these RGB values in your copy, in your notebook, okay, so that you can easily remember it. So this is for today. Thank you.